In QGIS, we can easily convert a multi-band satellite imagery into a RGB image. Let's see the properties of this image. This is a Landsat image. Go to properties, and if we see the band information, you can see there are 7 bands, and the number 4 band is red, 3 is green, and 2 is blue. We want to export only band 4, 3 and 2. Let's see how to do that. Right click on the layer and click on export, save as. You can select a lot of formats from the list, but we will use GeoTIFF since it keeps the coordinate information. And output mode, from raw data we will select the rendered image, and then we need to select the file name. Let's make it Landsat RGB and save. And the CRS coordinate reference system is 3857, that is pseudo-marketer, and the resolution is 90 by 90. We will not change anything, and the extent is also calculated from the layer Landsat, and click OK. The image is exported and added to our map. Now let's close this one. You can see this is perfectly aligned to the map. Now let's right click on it and go to properties, and in symbology you can see that only 3 bands. The number 4 band is a alpha band that is automatically generated, but basically there are 3 bands: red, green and blue. And if we go to the information, we can see that this is a GeoTIFF file, and the pixel size is exactly 90 by 90 as it was in the source layer. Thanks for watching.